did you put them on things that fly?
Die Russen sollen eine Eisenbahnbrücke über die Oder haben.
What is it?
Can you put me through to the electric board, please?
Stop!
You don't know what it is, do you?
Yes, I do. Shut your stupid funnel up.
BJ?
Uh-oh, it's a storm coming.
That's what it's saying. That's what it says here. He says,
BJ?
Well, this proposal could see the biggest change to the leadership of this country now, the second biggest economy in the world, of course, for... Hello? Hello?
Uh-oh.
Well, that's our last look at the clock for this evening. So, on behalf of everyone here on BBC Two...
Sorry.
And remember, I love you.
Uh-oh.
I told you, if you carried on as you were, and you didn't start putting in the kind of performances the team expected, you were going to lose your drive. Well, it's happened. As of today, you are no longer an employee of this organisation.
Die Russen sollen eine Eisenbahnbrücke über die Oder haben.
Oh no, James, cried Thomas. You saved the hot air balloon.
Die Russen sollen eine Eisenbahnbrücke über die Oder haben.
That night, Thomas and Percy spoke to Henry. We're sorry we got you into trouble.
What?